You want me to mention Captain Cockpit? Okay, okay, all right. So we'll think about the location courtesy later. But hello everyone. This is Sonup on Bollywood Wala. Today we'll be discussing about Salman Khan's Tube Light, the teaser of which was released yesterday evening. And to be very honest, I was disappointed. Disappointed not because the teaser was bad or Salman was bad. I loved the teaser as well as Salman in it. I was disappointed because I learnt later on that the movie is not original in its content. It is actually based on this English film called A Little Boy, and that was my major source of disappointment. Not a remake again. That was not what I was expecting from Kabir Khan and Salman Khan in 2017. To discuss the same, I have with me Himesh, Justin, and Ritesh. Let's start with Himesh, who is a big Salman Khan fan. Ritesh, Himesh, I'm so sorry. Himesh, 2017, we are talking about Bahubali, which is very original in its content, original in its storytelling and plot. And here we have India's biggest ever superstar, Salman Khan, doing yet again a remake. How disappointing is it for you?
See, to be honest, I had an idea that the film is based on The Little Boy, but what I thought is they would be adapting the basic premise and then bringing out the changes in the screenplay. But I have seen Little Boy and I was disappointed with the fact that even the few scenes in the teaser are straight away lifted from A Little Boy, which was in a way disappointing for me.
Right, it's a straight copy.
Yeah.
You know, when you compare frame by frame.
Yeah,
with
frame by
Little
frame,
Boy.
there are many
Correct.
similarities. But again, like I said, I was talking to someone in the morning. I think remakes are not bad per se.
Okay.
If you officially get the rights of the film, number one, and number two, you try to better the work.
Okay.
Like I've seen Little Boy, and for me, Little Boy was a very underwhelming film.
Okay.
So if Kabir has actually managed to work on the flaws that Little Boy had, then they have a winner in hand. Because the premise of Little Boy has the potential, but it was badly presented over there.
Right.
So let's see what happens.
Right, that's a fair point. Justin, coming to you, what do you make of it?
See, I do agree with Himesh in that sense that remakes are not fundamentally wrong. We need to clear that there's nothing wrong in remaking an already popular film.
Okay.
With regards to the debate of whether or should or not Salman had done a remake, I think it's fair.
Okay.
There's no problem unless you really demean the original topic or the subject. Then it's bad. But if you're making a better film, then I think remake serves the purpose because you are basically taking a subject which was unknown to an audience that you're catering to,
Correct.
and bringing it to a new world,
Correct.
putting it your own essence to it, adding the local flavor.
Okay.
And why not? I mean, Salman is a big star. If a story like A Little Boy can be told to a wider audience, then why not? There's no problem.
Good point. You know, I also like what you mentioned yesterday on Facebook, the fact that Salman started his second innings with a lot of remakes.
Sure.
But you know, the fundamental difference that I found out is when you talk about, say, a Bodyguard, when you talk about, say, a Jai Ho, when you talk about, say, Wanted, these were introduced and presented as official remakes of South
Correct.
films. But in case of Tube Light, there has yet not been any official word either from Kabir or the makers of the film that this is based on A Little Boy.
Well,
so why that secrecy? You know, as an audience,
Yeah.
I feel when they leave it up to us to find out that this is actually based on an English film,
Right.
you feel cheated. You feel, boss, what is happening? I mean, they could have told us
No,
beforehand.
but then Sonu, I think credit where due. The filmmakers did add the credit
Correct, yes.
towards the end. Now this is only the teaser, Sonu.
Right,
I think we
right.
are judging the film way too early.
Okay.
This is only the teaser, and in the teaser they did mention one line. I mean, the teaser was 1 minute 40 seconds,
I
and
think
they
that
had
is
one
something
line.
that Himesh spotted yesterday.
Image spotted. Yeah, had they not mentioned that one line, I think would have been a problem.
Right.
Because then
But till that time, we were again speculating.
Of course,
This looks
because,
like a copyright.
Because if you saw Amitabh Bachchan's Teen, which released last year, it was
Right.
again a remake of a very popular Korean film.
Right.
But nobody knew about it because they had kept it a secret. Because what's the point of watching a thriller? I mean, if you see the original, then the remake sort of dilutes the entire effect. But
Right.
credit where
Okay.
Kabir Khan did
So
mention one
maybe
line.
that could be one of the reasons why he probably wants to keep it
Maybe-
discreet,
maybe
not
with
mention
trailer
speak about
they
it
will-
openly.
And to add on to this, I
Okay.
think they have not interacted with the media so far about the film. Whenever we have asked Salman about the
There
film,
have
he
been
has-
interviews. I don't think anyone has really asked him this.
and no one has
Because-
asked him. Plus, they have kept the secrecy about that. So I think maybe during the trailer launch, when they
Now they will openly.
yeah, they
Because
will
if they
speak
can
about
add
it.
one line about it, then
Because
I
I think they wanted to keep the secrecy around the project as it in totality.
Yeah, because if it comes out that it's actually based on
Many
Little
people
Boy, then
might watch
everybody
it.
will know the story beforehand. Now
Yeah,
it's okay for them to know because they've
Because
already
1.5
mentioned
months.
it.
Right.
Yeah, it is just 1.5 months.
Let's draw Ritesh into the debate. Ritesh, आपका क्या thinking है इस पर? आप रीमेक से सहमत हैं और would you rather want to watch an original content like say बजरंगी और असुरदार?
मेरा सिर्फ छोटा सा कंसर्न ये है कि अगर आप किसी चीज़ की रीमेक बना रहे हैं तो उसका भारत में किस तरह प्लॉट बनाएंगे। सबसे बड़ा जो वहाँ के लोगों ने उस हिसाब से कोई वॉर हुआ होगा, कोई जहाँ भी लिटिल बॉय बनी होगी, मुझे ज़्यादा जानकारी नहीं उस फिल्म के बारे में, लेकिन जो भारत को अटैच किया गया होगा कि सलमान की सारी फिल्में भारत पाकिस्तान या कबीर खान को लेकर, तो मेरा बस कंसर्न ये है कि उस चीज़ को लिटिल बॉय को किस तरह से मतलब अटैच किया गया होगा जिससे इंडियन ऑडियंस को वो फिल्म लिटिल बॉय जैसे लगे। क्या इंडियन ऑडियंस लिटिल बॉय को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए राजी है, ये तो आने वाले रिलीज के बाद ही पता।
But you know, guys, don't you think it's a huge risk because this film has not really done commercially well, you know, in the place that it was released. So
It's got very
why
bad
this film?
reviews.
Exactly, it's got very bad
Yeah,
reviews
but,
and
yeah, exactly. Like I told you, the story has a lot of potential. I have seen the film. It is a very, I mean, on paper, if I tell you the
Okay.
one-line idea, it is very interesting.
Okay.
But they are flattered in terms of execution.
Okay.
So if Kabir over here
Okay,
has got
can
the emotions and execution right, this film is a definitely winner. Like on paper,
All right.
if you ask me, on paper it has a better plot than Bajrangi. But it all depends on the
the
execution.
execution
and
finally
And
that
I
we'll
think
get to
in
see
Kabir
once.
we can trust. I mean, he's not really a guy who can take a good subject and ruin it completely.
Correct, agreed. But Justin, don't you think it's time for Bollywood to look out for original content when, you know, films down south and in other industries they are doing so really well in terms of nice creative content which is original in nature? Why do you think is Bollywood lagging behind?
No. See that Blue Blood is just one example of a remake which came out. Which other popular remakes can we think of in 2017? Name me 10 more films and I'll agree with you. There are original contents of course happening, but side by side there is also remake happening, which is not bad at all. That's what I'm saying. Because even if you look at it in Hollywood, all the major classics have been remakes. I mean, Scarface, if you look at it, again a remake. Christopher Nolan's Insomnia, a remake. Scent of a Woman, a remake. King Kong, a remake. Ocean 11's a remake. All these are popular films, both critically and box office acclaimed. They've been a
So
remake.
you're fine with
As
film
long
being
as-
as long as it is treated well and
I mean, see,
gets
if
good
an
audience.
example that I can give you with regards to Bollywood is Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. We all love the film, I'm sure.
Right.
It was a remake of a South
Obviously,
Indian
yes,
film.
yeah.
Done better. Satya, again, it's one of my personal favorites. Again, a remake done better. But OK Janu was a remake done badly.
Right.
So I think it really depends from treatment to treatment and from director to director. Remakes are not fundamentally wrong, but it really depends on the guy who's making
But you
it.
as an audience, you have no problem watching a remake.
No, not at all. Not
See,
at all.
90% of the Indians wouldn't even know what Little Boy is, to be
Correct.
honest.
Right.
So that's not an issue because they are introducing it to a new section of audience. But
Right.
my issue is when a filmmaker remakes a film unofficially.
Right.
Like I'll give you an example, Bagi.
Correct, yes.
Bagi is a remake
Yeah,
of
yeah.
Varsham and
Yeah.
like the entire premise is Varsham and they have added Ray Redemption, which is bad. You are taking someone else's work and not even giving them credit. And when we ask the director,
No, you know, that is what brings me to the point that there are a lot of writers in our industry. You know, Ritesh, you can also join in. So why don't these writers get a chance, get a look in? I mean, why do we go for remakes? Is it because it is a job that is easily done? It's very convenient to make a remake and get it released? What do you make of it?
तो बहुत ही सही बात की आपने कि यहाँ के लोग अपने राइटर्स पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करते, जो कि बहुत ज़रूरी करना, और राइटर्स को भी क्रेडिट भी नहीं देते। अगर कोई फिल्म अच्छी लिखी भी है तो उसका क्रेडिट राइटर्स को नहीं मिलता। ये सबसे बड़ी परेशानी की बात है भारत के लिए, और इससे क्या हो रहा है कि हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री किसी और कंटेंट पे डिपेंड होती जा रही है, और ये एक घातक सिग्नेचर है।
see, I'll tell you one more thing to add on to that. You mentioned why don't we make original content? I think that is a very huge issue.
No, even
Huge
when we
issue.
say original content, we also have biopics taking
No,
over.
I'm talking
So
exactly.
biopics again are, I mean, you have a ready-made script. You just have to
It's like
do
a
some
cash
of that
cow.
copy-paste.
It's like
Exactly.
you
See,
milking a
Rajamouli
cash
is
cow.
making a Bahubali.
Right.
See, in a way it is inspired, the characters are inspired from Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Correct.
We have so many stories, like you would be surprised since independence, it has been 65, 67 years, whatever.
Right.
More than that.
Okay.
We have not made a film on Shivaji Maharaj.
Right.
Bollywood has not made a film on Shivaji Maharaj and we are
Okay.
still making those love stories.
Okay.
There are so many leaders
Okay.
on whom we can make films on that scale, that
Okay.
canvas, but we are not
Okay.
making it.
Okay, Ritesh
एक और
wants to come in,
बात
yeah.
मैं इसमें जोड़ना चाहूँगा कि सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम इस देश की क्या है कि यहाँ दो चीज़ें हो गई हैं। एक तो प्रोड्यूसर, इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, और साथ ही साथ कॉर्पोरेट प्रोड्यूसर।
Okay.
तो जितना कन्विंस इनको करना पड़ता है अपने प्रोड्यूसर्स को पैसे लेने के लिए, तो जब तक इनके पास कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं रहेगी तब तक उनको पैसा नहीं मिलेगा, तब तक सलमान खान फिल्म में नहीं आएगा और फिल्म चलेगी नहीं।
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम सबसे बड़ी है प्रोड्यूसर और पैसे की।
Okay.
इनको ये अपने आप को ट्रस्ट नहीं दिला पाते हैं अपने प्रोड्यूसर्स को, चाहे वो कबीर खान हो चाहे कोई हो, ये कि भाई मेरा कंटेंट इतना स्ट्रांग है, तो ये हॉलीवुड का रेफरेंस, साउथ इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का रेफरेंस देते हैं, जिसकी वजह से इनको पैसा मिलता है और इस तरह की फिल्में बनाते हैं।
Okay, Justin, you want to come in?
Talking
Yeah,
about
yeah,
the
yeah.
original and the remake discussion that we had.
Pattern that is going on,
If you
huh?
look at Salman, you mentioned Salman Khan.
Right.
Of course, he's done a lot of remakes.
Right,
His
right.
second coming of sorts was
Absolutely, yeah, you mentioned that, yes.
But then, if you look at his biggest hits, have been originals.
Correct.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan
Exactly.
was an original script.
Exactly.
Sultan was an original script. Even Prem Ratan Dhanbhai did fairly good business.
Right.
Again, an original
Even
script.
Dabangg was the original script was released.
Sure.
Right.
So, of course, there there is an originality which exists too. I think both can coexist together. Even Kabir
both
Khan,
can
if we are
coexist
talking about, I mean,
together.
it's his first remake ever, if I'm not wrong.
Exactly.
New
I was
York,
coming to that.
Bajrangi,
Yeah.
Ek Tha
Yeah.
Tiger, all they have been fairly original scripts.
So what I would like to perhaps understand from Kabir whenever I meet him is how easy was it for him to take up a project
Could be.
which already had an original existence
And more
somewhere in the
than
world.
that, how easy or difficult was it to adapt a product which got really bad reviews? How do you take that product and bring it to the biggest superstar of India
Yeah.
and pitch it to a loyal fan base?
Yeah.
That's more
Yeah,
interesting.
that's very challenging,
Had it
yeah.
been a good commercial film, then it's easy to understand.
Right. So finally, before we close, let's get the perspective on Tube Light. Do you like the teaser? What do you think about the film?
Since I have watched, see, I even put it up on Facebook. I think a film like Tube Light doesn't need a teaser. It is not an action film per se like a
agree.
Sultan or a Ek Tha Tiger, which needs a teaser wherein you can show the action and get the audience.
But you know,
excited.
Salman being such a huge star,
You just need to get a
even a
trailer.
poster would do
And they
it.
released teaser ka teaser also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
So they had. You need a trailer. See, it is too early.
So
it
you
is
are
too
not in
small.
favor of having a teaser for
For
a
a
teaser
human
film
drama.
like Tube Light?
I think
Alright.
a trailer
But how
is-
do you like the teaser? Whatever you said.
I like Salman in the teaser. I like the background score. I like the visuals. But apart from that, there was nothing exciting as such for me. But let's wait for the trailer.
Justin,
I had really liked the background music for some reason.
Yeah,
I think it was very beautiful for a Bollywood film and for a Salman Khan film.
I'm sorry, it's Preetham, so we will have to check where
No,
the
it's not
source of the.
Preetham, it's
It's
Julius,
Preetham, right?
It's
No, okay.
Julius, the one who had
Someone
given
else?
the,
Okay.
Yeah, the
background
one who had
score.
given the background.
No, I think the music is called.
I think
I think
it's
it's
Preetham.
by Preetham.
The music is by Preetham,
Yeah,
alright.
but-
But I agree with you.
I like the teaser. I think it had a very Bajrangi Bhaijaan vibes, which in itself is a compliment to the film.
Alright.
Because Bajrangi was a great product. So I don't mind the film being in a similar space, but of course I expect a lot more with Kabir and Salman.
Kabir and Salman. Riतेsh, आप क्या?
टीजर ठीक ठाक है लेकिन एक
ठीक ठाक है मतलब अच्छा नहीं लगा आपको?
हाँ, मुझे उतना कन्विंसिंग नहीं लगा
क्यों नहीं लगा कन्विंसिंग?
क्योंकि सलमान का जो इमेज है वो कहीं ना कहीं एक्शन स्टार को लेकर लोगों के मन में आता है। उनके फैंस भाई 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 हर करना चाहते हैं, बजरंगी में हो, सुल्तान में हो, लेकिन वो भाई वाली फीलिंग इसमें नहीं आ रही। हो सकता है सलमान खुद चेंज करना चाहते हैं इस इमेज को, लेकिन टीजर 1 मिनट 80 सेकंड का बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। टीजर मिनिमम 1 मिनट का ही
हाँ, this point I actually agree with a little bit.
लेकिन लास्ट में तो शाहरुख नहीं सॉरी सलमान आके कुछ बोलता है ना
Yeah,
वो
but the
ठीक
teaser
है।
itself was like
वो 2
almost
मिनट
half
2
the size
मिनट
of
का
the
टीजर है,
trailer.
वो 1
It
मिनट
was
80
1
सेकंड
minute 20 seconds.
Right, right, right,
And
right.
they
सलमान
introduced
चाह
Salman
रहे हैं
after
नहीं,
20
सलमान एक और चीज़ अपने
Yeah.
YouTube चैनल को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं।
Yeah, Salman was promoting his YouTube channel, so I found that quite bizarre. I mean, let me.
सलमान अब पूरी तरह से कमर्शियल होते जा रहे हैं। जिस तरह से शाहरुख खान
Salman doesn't need to do all of that. I mean, I truly feel.
सलमान अब शाहरुख खान बन रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री के, जो शाहरुख ने आज से 15 साल पहले किया, आज सलमान का।
मतलब आपका कहना है कि अभी सलमान किंग बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं
सलमान किंग नहीं बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, सलमान टाइगर बनने की कोशिश
टाइगर जिंदा तो है
To
बाबा
sum it up, I think a film like Tiger Zinda deserves a teaser.
या
But a film like Tube Light doesn't deserve a teaser, it needs a
और
trailer.
वो भी 1 मिनट 80 सेकंड का। ये बहुत
Bring out a full
I'm
fledged
sure
trailer.
all of the legion of Salman fans will disagree with you. But anyways,
They are out to troll him right after this.
This I have not tweeted anything.
but you know, before we close, one word on Shah Rukh Khan is there in the film. So how exciting
Oh,
was
yeah,
that
yeah.
Jodi?
He's there in the teaser as well.
He's there in the
Yeah,
teaser?
the magician
The
who
magician is
throws
Shah Rukh Khan.
flame.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Yeah, that's a good spot. Exciting for you, Ritesh,
Yeah.
Shah Rukh or Salman? Wapas?
King and Tiger.
All right, great. Thank you so very much, guys. This is a great opinion session that we had with Himesh, Justin, and Ritesh. Thank you so much for watching Bollywood Wala. Keep tuned to my channel for more discussions and debates centering around topics from the world of Bollywood. Thank you. Bye.